If you're tired of switching between multiple chart tabs and missing something important, just because you couldn't see everything at once, there's a better way. Let me introduce the MultiChart Viewer Pro, which brings all your charts together in one customizable dashboard, helping you solve the issues of flipping between chart tabs just to keep an eye on different timeframes or symbols. Let's start with the sub-window display settings. Here you can set the maximum number of mini charts to display and arrange them into the number of columns that works best for your layout. You also have quick toggles to show or hide elements like the OHLC values, bid price line, grid price scale, and time scale, giving you full control over what's visible. Furthermore, each mini chart can also have its own time frame. For example, you can watch M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, and M6 all at once without opening separate charts. Plus, you can also apply different templates to each column. This means you can load your favorite indicators, color schemes, and chart types instantly for each mini charts. But currently, both the color schemes and chart types are set to default, hence for the next part, I'll show you the process on how you can change both of them. First is the chart type settings. The chart type setting controls how each mini chart's display style is chosen. You have three options. First is use the main chart's chart type, which applies the main chart style, candlestick, bar, or line to all mini charts. Second is use the mini chart specific chart type, where you can set each mini chart individually to candlestick, bar, or line. Third is use the mini chart specific template's chart type, which automatically applies the chart type saved in that chart's template. Next is the chart color properties. The chart color property setting determines where each mini chart gets its color scheme, where you also have three options. First, use the main chart's color properties, which mirrors the main chart's background, candles, and grid colors across all mini charts. Second, use custom chart color properties, where you define your own background, candle colors, grid, and other color elements across all mini charts. Third, use the mini chart specific template's color properties, which applies the colors saved in that chart's template, meaning the indicator automatically fetches and applies each template's color properties, allowing for an individual mini chart's color scheme control. Next, the zoom button settings. Under this group, you can set a default zoom level for all mini charts, so they open at your preferred scale. You can also choose to show or hide zoom in and zoom out buttons on each mini chart for quick adjustments. Additionally, for the zoom button's color settings, the zoom buttons can automatically adapt to each chart's color theme, where you can choose from different color options in the dropdown to match your style. Next, let's talk about the object synchronization settings. One of the indicator's main feature where when enabled, any object you draw on the main chart like trend lines, rectangles, Fibonacci retracements, or text will automatically appear on the matching mini charts. You can also sync objects from all open charts that share the same symbol, not just the main chart. This is great if you work with multiple chart windows for the same market. And last is the sync interval setting, which lets you control how often the indicator checks for updates in milliseconds so you can balance speed and performance. Finally, let's talk about the time frame specific object properties. This is where you can set unique colors, line styles, and widths for each object for each time frame. This way you can instantly tell which time frame an object belongs to just by looking at it. If you're done wasting time jumping between charts and want a faster, cleaner way to analyze the markets, hit me up or slide into my DMs so that I can give you a copy of the demo, or just inquire on how you can buy the indicator. Seriously, 5 minutes with this thing and you'll wonder how you traded without it. Anyway, that's all I got to say. Happy trading!